My name is Malaya Sheffield. This is my family history. 7 generations ago, my great 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 grandma, Hattie, was born. Her father was white, her mother was Indian. She left him and met a man named Mr. McBee, and they had a daughter named Betsy. She stayed in Greensville, South Carolina. She met a white man, and they had my grandma Louise. She left Greensville and came to Vicksburg, where she met William Ballou, who was from West India, and they got married in 1903 and had my great grandmother Fanny. She had my grandmother Audrey. My grandma Audrey had my mother, and now I am the 7th generation.
कुछ तो बोलो